Hi everyone, welcome to the roster. My name is Andrei. I've been bartending for 6 years, and one of my favorite spirits on the Spirits of Anarchy range is Black Dragon Pineapple. So Black Dragon Pineapple is a representation of the fire within, and it's also representing the strength, spirit, and passion of the Afro-Caribbean culture. The keynotes on Black Dragon Pineapple will be caramelized pineapple with hints of baked peach, as well as toffee and candied ginger. So to showcase this product today, we'll do one of our signature cocktails down here at the roster, which is the Equilibrium. To make Equilibrium, we need 20 ml of Black Dragon Pineapple Rum to start with. Up next, 10 ml of the brandy liqueur. Followed by 15 ml of Amontillado Sherry. As well as 15 ml of Vermut Blanco. Up next, we have Coque di Torino, which is infused with dates. And last but not least, just to balance it out, we'll add a little bit of coconut water, 15 ml more exactly. So that's all done. Method for this drink will be a stir down. And it's going to go in one of the Nick and Nora glasses. Just like that. And then final touch, we will garnish it with dried apricot, which is soaked in brandy. So that's going to go straight at the bottom. And to finish it off, we will be adding 3 drops of almond oil. So that's there just to give it a nice and silky mouthfeel and complement the other flavors inside the drink. And here we have Equilibrium featuring Black Dragon Pineapple Rum. If you want to discover more, please head to spiritsofanarchy.com. Cheers!